Yes, good morning. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ito na naman ako, mag-uulat at ako'y narito ngayon sa Copperfield Community ng Southeast Quadrant of Calgary. Maglalagay lang ako ng conditionally sold sign kasi para maganda pagpasok ng taon dahil conditionally sold ito kagabi, itong bahay na to. So that's good. So I still have another listings that I had to sell in Airdrie, and then there's another two coming. So if you're looking to buy or to sell a property, please give me a call. Don't hesitate, and I'll be happy to assist you. O ayan na po, naikabit ko na yung CS sign dito sa bahay na aking binenta rito sa Copperfield. So ako'y magpapaalam na sa inyong muli. At binabati ko po kayong lahat ng isang masigabong bagong taon. Happy New Year for the year 2026. Sana gabayan tayo ng Panginoon Diyos sa ating buhay, sa ating health, at sana maging maganda lahat ang takbo ng ating buhay sa isa't isa. And let us have peace on earth with love. Ed Valino here from First Place Realty. If you're looking to buy or sell a house, please don't hesitate to send me a text or call me 403-875-2696. Let me put the number right there. There you go. Sige po. Happy New Year!